Hi everyone, welcome to new video from Not Real Engineering. I got many requests asking me to make a video about this topic. So today we are going to see how to plot along the path in Abaqus CAE. And what I mean by that is, let's say this is your geometry. There is a plate with hole and it is fixed on one end and there is some pressure on this other end. And if you do this simulation, these are the results you will obtain. This is the contour showing displacement along X direction. Now sometimes you want to see how this displacement is varying along some particular path in the mesh. So for example, if you take this middle center line from this left edge to the right edge, and if you want to plot the displacement along this line and get some graph like this. So in this graph, this y-axis is displacement and this x-axis is just this line. So at x equal to 0, which is this point, the displacement is also 0 because this is fixed. And as you travel from here towards this free end, you can see the displacement is increasing. Suddenly there is a jump. This is because of this hole. And again, displacement will keep increasing. And this displacement over here is around minus 10 into 10 raised to minus 9, which is the maximum displacement over here, which is shown over here in blue color. So we can do this for any field output. And in this video, we are going to see how to do that. Let's start with Abaqus CAE. Now I already built this model. I'm not going to discuss how we build this model. I have a separate video on that, but you can see the left edge is fixed and there is some pressure on the right edge. Now let's go and open the results. If you see the contours plot for displacement and displacement in X direction. So you can see something like this. Now let's say we want to plot the displacement along this horizontal middle line. For that, first you have to go in this tools, go into path and say create. You can give any name for your path and we are going to go with node list and we have to choose all the nodes along this line. You have some other options as well, such as you can choose the edge list and then you can plot any field output along that edge. But in this we are going to select node list. I will keep the name as path 1. So say continue and here just click on add before and then click all the nodes along this path. Once all the nodes are selected, you can say done and say OK. So now this path is created. Next you have to go to create XY data and here you have to choose this path option. Say continue and now in this you can see this path 1 is selected by default. If you want, you can create multiple paths as well and then you can choose the appropriate path, whatever you want over here. Next, you can choose frame over here. So now this is a static analysis, so it has only one frame. So I'm going to choose this one. And here you can choose the field output. Right now it is displacement in X direction, but you can change that whatever you want. You can choose from all these options. As of now, let's keep displacement in X direction and then say plot. And you will get plot along this path. You can also choose to plot it on undeformed shape. In this case, deformed and undeformed shape are almost same. And also if you want to show the nodes, you can close this and you can go in this XY curve options. And here you can say show symbol. Then you can see the symbols over here as well. You can increase their size and color and everything. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to show your support by subscribing to this channel. Also check out channel's homepage where you can find many videos on similar topics. And if you go to playlist tab, here you can see many different playlists where I combine together videos from different topics. So for example, if you're trying to learn Python scripting in Abaqus, you can watch all the videos in this particular playlist. Also, you can visit channel's GitHub profile and from here you can download all the codes which I used in different videos on my YouTube channel. You can find link of this GitHub profile in description box of this video. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And as always, thank you for watching.